This one is for the hungry youth, for the ones locked out the economy, for the ones who tired of speeches and still can't eat. Amandla, Matla, Inyaniso. Them say freedom come 1994, but if your pocket empty, you're still poor. He preach political win can't be the end if land and mind still serve as same old friend. EFF Online, in a lifetime, not later, not one day I know together agenda. Daily Maverick from township dust to parliament floor. Return poverty talking to pressure and roar. Inyaniso, Ubuqotho, no more rich talk while the masses drown. No more elite feast while the poor man groan. Hold them accountable, public eye wide. Government must serve, not hide and slide. Eerlikheid, hot, Emma go, maga, who shoot in a system we move too slow. Go Malema, go mega, go mago. Call out corruption, let the people know. Land dignity, work for the youth, them soul. Economic freedom, that the goal. Go Malema, go, Orena, go mega, Amandla. Ubuqotho, Matla, Bango. Yeah, he built a party from exile fire. Turn red beret into a loud require, yeah, fire. In parliament, pressure get real when accountability become headline steel. Pay back the money, here I show the method. Make power uncomfortable till truth confess it. YouTube then land debate. Reach constitutional zone motion, push section 25 review to the bone because land reform can't stay. Committee slow when hunger moving fast and anger grow. Parliament of South Africa he polarized, yes, because he touch raw nerve. A country split by what it got and what it deserves. Some here danger, some here over true repair, but nobody can say he isn't there. Financial talent he polarized, yes, because he touch raw nerve. A country split by what it got and what it deserves. Some here danger, some here over true repair, but nobody can say he isn't there. Inyaniso, this ain't about hate, it's about repair. A nation can't heal if truth not there. Unity is in silence, unity is fairness. Honesty is in talk, honesty is clearness. If the youth can't eat, the future can't stand. So build jobs, build skills, rebuild the land. No messiah worship, just standards high. Leadership must serve or be questioned why. Ubuqotho, Amandla, Eerlikheid, Maverick.